Spring is here. Life returns. It's mating season. For birds, the key to courtship is not fighting, but the skill of wooing. A beautiful western grebe courtship dance unfolds on an Oregon lake. The courtship ritual starts with graceful duet passes. Head shaking and feather pecking build emotion. First, they check mutual interest. Grebe mate selection is strict. The female makes a move, and the male must immediately respond and maintain the same rhythm. Only the male who cooperates with the purpose has a chance to win the female's favor. To deepen their bond, the bear bird also presents a token of affection. If the bird accepts, the confession is successful, but the test is not yet over. Next, the lifelong courtship peaks. The deeply in love pair gaze at each other. Then, without any hesitation, it suddenly opens its entire crest, raises its body high, and swims across the water as if joyfully performing an elegant tango dance, displaying its stunning physique and elegant motions toward its partner.